Hello guys, welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video we will learn about animation in PowerPoint. I have designed 5 slides here. In previous videos we have learned how to design a slide, how to put images, how to insert text. Now we will learn how to make your objects or the items or the text animated. For that we have this menu item here, menu tab here, animations. We'll click on it and we will select the object, the item that we want to be get animated. For example, I'll select the text here and I'll choose the animation from here. These animations work when an object enters a slide. These animations work when an object is on the slide. And these are the animations that will work when an object exits the slide. So we will select the object first and then I'll select the kind of animation that I want. For example, in the entrance, I'll want this maybe fly in. You can see the preview from here. I can even change the direction. Effect options. I want it from left like this. If you want the animation to get slowed down, this is the duration that I am changing from 0.50 to 1. Now I'll see the result. You can see 1 is written here. This is the animation actually. If you want to delete this animation, you'll select this one and press delete. Next I want to animate this Mercury planet image here. Here I'll choose grow and turn. I'll go to animation pane here. This is the panel basically that controls the animation. I'll say, it says on click. That means when I click the mouse button, the animation will proceed. But I want it after the previous animation. So I'll select it after previous. Now if I see the preview, it's working automatically. We have more options here, like if I go to effect, you can give sound. After animation, don't dim. Next is our timing, like if I want to repeat, yes, I want it to repeat. Maybe until next click or maybe 10 times. Okay. If I say OK, this will happen. I want it to get delayed, maybe 5 seconds. The whole animation will take place in 5 seconds here. I'll press OK and we'll see the result. This is absolutely what I want. Now I'll go to this text here. That is the answer of our question, and I'll select fade after previous, duration, and I'll see the preview. The question comes first, then the image, then the answer. I am animating the image after the question just because I want to give the audience some time so that they can think about the answer. Next, we'll go to our next slide. Here we have, this is the question, this is our answer, and this is the image. I'll select the object. This time I'll select float in. Then I'll have this image here. First of all, I want this after previous. This is the image here of the Neptune, or I can even have this deleted and I'll only animate these 14 moons here. I'll select them all. I want them after previous, that is okay. And then I'll select the answer here. You can see the preview. As you can see, it is very easy to give some kind of animations to your objects in PowerPoint. This is the basic animation tutorial. Again, I'll select the objects, the animation that I want, when I want it to be done. Maybe I'll give it bounce. Okay, and then okay, so this is our slide. This looks quite cool. This is our fourth slide. The question. Then I want this. But after previous, this will also after previous. Again, I'll give it fade after previous. What I want, these names. Fade after previous. Fade. I want these names to get displayed one by one. That is what I am doing here. Finally, I'll animate the answer here. I'll see the preview here. This is our last slide. I want it to fly in from top. You will see the preview here. So these are the animations that we have done. Now you know how to apply some kind of animation to a slide or to your objects. We'll go to slideshow and preview the whole animation. So now you know how to animate things in your PowerPoint. This is it for this session. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new content. Thank you for watching.